Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going through the Backlink Analytics tool on SEMrush. It's an incredibly powerful way to build backlinks to your website using broken link building techniques. If you haven't already, then don't forget to press the subscribe button below. It really does help the channel out. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So first of all, just get the domain overview area up and then just type in the website that you want to look at. So I just want to look at moneysavingexpert.com. So let's say that I'm in the financial services niche and I want to start building some backlinks to my website. So you can see they get millions of organic traffic to the website a month. So if we just go down here to the Backlink Analytics tab, and then if we go to the indexed pages section, we will be able to see a list of all the pages. So what we can do here is click target URL error. So this will show up all the pages with like 404 errors, error 400, 503, etc. So what I'm going to do is go through and have a quick look for a good example of a page which I can show you of an example. So we just scan through here. So just to quickly talk you through it. So here's a list of websites, like the number of websites that are that are pointing towards all these broken pages. So I'm just looking for a good example of a site. Let's just have a look. Let's have a look at this one, fixed rates, because it doesn't look like there's too many. Okay, so if we just open this in a new browser, just to show you that this is a 404 page, and all of these people are linking to this broken resource here. So if you've got a piece of content, maybe you created this content 4 years ago and it's just not ranking yet. It's a great piece of content, or it is ranking, you just want to push it up like 3 or 4 or 5 places. It might just be a case of building some good quality links. So if you've got content around fixed rate savings, then what you should look to do is something similar to this. So you can see here a list of people that are linking to this page that it's a 404. So you can see here this blog, for example, 7 tips to get rich slowly. So they've linked to a fixed term savings account. So you can see here, that's the anchor text. Let's have a quick look. Okay, so you can see it is quite a simple old blog, but if you just come here, so they are linking out. So if you just click here, and again, it goes to a 404 page, which is bad for the user on the on this website, this blog's website. It's bad for their SEO because they've got a broken link. And it just helps the internet if there's a good quality link there. So you can get yourself a link. The good thing about broken link building is these kind of pages, they're well seasoned. This one's been around for 6 years. I don't know the domain authority of the site or anything like that, but this page in particular has been around for a while, so it will have had the chance to gain some sort of authority. If they've been doing link building, internal link building, external link building, elsewhere on the page, hopefully that helps bring the authority score up of the page. And also, if you're going through these strategies, if you're doing it correctly, then there'll all be contextual backlinks, which is probably one of the most important things. So what you can actually do is within SEMrush as well, you can take these prospects. So you can take them and then you can click export here into a CSV. And then instead of scrolling through doing it here, just quality checking them, what you can do is just export them here into like a Google Sheet or something like that. And then you can actually upload into your link building campaign. So you can import the contacts and the websites that you want to get in touch with and then start a campaign like that. So yeah, this is just a quick tutorial. I thought it'd be really quick and easy just to show you. Hopefully you found it useful. If you haven't already, then don't forget to press subscribe. If you've liked this video, hit the thumbs up button below and share the video if you found it useful. Thanks for watching.